top three things in my notebook this morning. Number one, China. Number two, the United Kingdom. And number three, the U.S. dollar, which is incidentally still burning at the stake. Looking at China first, down for the sixth consecutive day for the Shanghai Composite, down 0.45%. So that in and of itself is interesting, would be point A. And point B would be that it broke its intermediate-term trend line on the Shanghai Comp of 21.96. So, again, an interesting signal and a new one that we wanted to highlight on that front. Point number two is the UK, which is a continuation of a trend that we've been on here. We call the theme global macro theme Euro Bulls, but one of the things we really like is the manifestation of a strong British pound. So a strong currency in the UK is perpetuating lower consumer prices, which are also perpetuating what? Consumption growth. So you see house prices going up, auto sales going up, the UK economy showing some of the best statistics we've seen in almost 15 to 20 years. So CPI in the UK reported at 2.1% for November versus 2.2% last month. This used to be in the high fours, by the way. Again, strong pound equals stronger purchasing power for those in the UK. Finally, U.S. dollar doesn't get any of that. The dollar now being down again this morning ahead of a no-taper event at the Fed, which we showed a video of really overnight in terms of an interview I did with Andrew Hussar, who ran the Fed's bond buying program. He said, look, whoever thinks that there's going to be a taper, which would include, I guess, Steve Leisman now at Consensus TV, that's just wrong. So the currency obviously believes that there is no taper coming in December, so watch for that. Down 6 consecutive weeks for the U.S. dollar now, which is it's just a shame. It really is. It's a shame, and it's really a mediocre state in America where people just actually don't even understand it to the point of not being able to debate it, which is a problem in and of itself, but that's for another time to talk about. So those are your top 3 things.